Hi guys, today I'm gonna show how to monetize Instagram account. So before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. So for that you need to enter into your Instagram and your profile. Over there at the top right corner, please click the three line icon and scroll down and select account type and tools, and then click switch to professional account and then click next. Based on your content, please select the category and switch to professional account. Once you're done, after that you need to select the type, creator or business, and then select the audience and then finish the 7 step, or else you can skip the step 2. Once it's done, please refresh it. Now you may see the professional dashboard. Now the account is professional, switched to professional account. So once you click the dashboard, enter into the branded content. Please select setup branded content and then enable it. Once you enable, please click the enable, and now you see you are able to monetize. So this is how guys you need to monetize your account. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching. For more, subscribe TechTube. Bye bye.